The novel pandemic, bringing lockdowns, curfews, shutdowns, and disruption of supplies and services has created a lot of problem for the society. And specifically, it has created more problem for women and children who are the hardest hit. In India, these women suffer from all forms of malnutrition and all forms of hunger. There are micronutrient deficiencies, there are macronutrient deficiencies. There was calorie hunger, there was protein hunger, and there was hidden hunger. And you know that more than 50% of women are also anemic. Anemia decreases productivity, and anemia also has bearing on the newborn. So there are also more than 20% women in India suffer from obesity and overweight. This double burden on malnutrition indicate a diluted food system. So there are unsafe food. There are also many other practices which has affected women's life and livelihood. Specifically, during this pandemic, the first 1000 days, which is called the first window of opportunities, and the adolescent girls, which is called the second window of opportunities, have been more hit. So it is necessary that we invest on both the window of opportunities, first window of opportunities and the second window of opportunities, specifically on adolescent girls, because they are the future mothers. The National Family Health Survey 5, the first phase of the result, which just came for 22 Indian states and union territories, the result for the women is very, very difficult to digest. You must be knowing that in 14 states, anemia among women increased. Also in 19 states, obesity and overweight and among the women also increased. And another interesting thing I want to share, almost 70,000 children are born every day in India. So the women, specifically the pregnant and lactating mothers, need special care and special diet and rest during pregnancy. So unless we provide that, it will be very difficult to address the issues of women, because if we do not build the future of our future generation, which is in the womb or which is in the first 1000 days of life, then we might miss that opportunity. India might lose that opportunity for future. I always say that nutrition is also a personal protective equipment. Good nutrition is good life. They need access to safe and nutritious diet. So this double burden of malnutrition, this calorie hunger, protein hunger, and the hidden hunger, which might have been compounded during this pandemic, must stop, because we want a new India, a skilled India and digital India. For all these, women's power, women's potentiality needs to be harnessed.